amen, yeah, yeah.
Got it.
So guys, I am going to try and put parking sensors on my Civic. Parked over there, on the road. So I'm going to take the bumper off. That's one of the first things I'm going to do. Take the bumper off, bring it inside, drill holes into it. I bought these parking sensors like, I want to say 2-3 years ago when I had my EJ. I wanted to put it in there, never got around to doing it. But now I've got that daily. I need parking sensors. I hate reversing without it. I'm going to plug them, or I'm going to drill holes now, plug them in. It's going to get dark in 15 minutes. I'm going to hopefully take the bumper off, bring it inside, drill the holes, put the parking sensors in, then from there I can wire it. Probably wire it tomorrow now because it's going to get dark, but let's see how it goes.
Juki got the sauce, bitch.
Everything's out, just fog light. I need to remove that wire, but it's pretty hard. So let's take this inside now. Cheese. Hey, look, so the parking sensor are under my bed somewhere. So let me open it. It's under here somewhere. I remember I put them here. I thought maybe one day I might need them again, but I need to find them. It's under stereo. Yeah, so let me have a look, and I should find them hopefully if I didn't give them to anyone. But here they are, look, brand new in box, not even been used. The lighting's a bit dead. And look, I also found, I bought this with the EJ2 to put green neon lights, like Fast and Furious. So I could even put these on, you know, why not? Bit of fun, no? Bit of fun. But I'm going to drill them. These are black, so should be fine, silver and black. So, yep. Let me go find the Dremel. Okay, I don't know if you can see me or not, but I've masking taped it. And I'm going to take this ruler and the pen and just go like, I can see, kind of see where this is. So just go down and mark. So it doesn't have to be perfect, just so I know it's kind of like together in the middle. So it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to mark it from the top to the bottom, just so I know it's going to all be the same. So the parking sensor itself is like, I think I want to say 30 millimeters wide. So I want it like, do it like this, actually it's easier. This is a flop. I have to wait for Bilal to come and him to give me better advice on how to do it. So the instructions are all in German. I can't read that. But look, they sent it with a Dremel thing, drill bit, so it will fit these exactly when I drill a hole into the bumper. So that's good. I think it's self-explanatory. Those 4 parking sensors go into here. Then that comes out of this, I'm guessing, and this needs to get power somehow. With this, I'm guessing, that's the power lead. I think I can put this in the top, you know, like the Mercedes have. I can do this. Except when I look in the reverse mirror, I can tell how far I've got. So yeah, I'm gonna have to think, where do I wire this into? I need a constant power in the back of my car. Not too sure, but I'll have a look where I can tap this into. And yeah, gonna have to get on with the drilling, but I'm not sure how far apart to put them. There's 4, so 2 in the middle and 2 on the sides, but let's give it a go anyway. If it fails, I'm gonna have 4 holes in my bumper. Hooray. I want to measure the distance on my BMW ones and then do the same on the Honda, because they're probably going to be perfectly spaced apart, aren't they? So yeah, let me give it a go. Alright, so it's 45 from there to there. 55 from there to there, 45 from there to there. So obviously I'm going to do a ratio because bumpers are going to be different widths, aren't they?
Yo, Ahmed, I think your lines are not straight, you know.
I've not done them yet. I'm waiting for you.
Alright, so he's meant to be putting on some parking sensors DIY job. Let's see if it flops or if it goes well. But look at his masking tape, I think it's already all crooked. Like, look at that side compared to this side.
Yeah, no, but I'm going to draw lines from there down there and then try.
Alright. It's a risk drilling a hole in your bumper. Always get a professional to do it.
So I got you here.
That's what a man's here, you know.
Alright.
So this little bugger has got stuck in a drill. So the camera actually stopped recording, but we've done all 4 holes now. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's already got a sensor in, and it fits perfectly.
Let's get the tape off.
That fits really nice. So yeah, hopefully done a good job here. If you want custom parking sensors fitted, let me know. Huh? Hondas only? Nah, I'm doing all cars, yeah. Let me know. We'll get your sensors done for you. But wait, let's not jinx it until they're actually up and running.
Oh, I've got this shit tape. I don't know, we need glue and tar removal.
WD-40 it.
Yeah, I'll have to might.
Fast action. WD-40 is for everything, guys.
One to 10 concentration of Surfax HD. Should do the thing. He's done the easy bit, now look, he's going. Anyways, parking sensors are in. You can see the 4, and look, there's gaps. I think I can put them, feed them. That's the fog light, so I think I can feed them through here. Get them in, and then I'm going to wire up to the reverse lights. Obviously, when I put it in reverse, they'll power on. Yada yada yada, and it should work. So I'm going to put them on. I'm going to wire them, feed them through first. Then I'm going to put the bumper back on. Hopefully, it should be all right. Alright, bumpers in, parking sensors are in. As you can see, Mr. Billy Khan, that one's a bit slightly more in than there. Don't care because my daily, but screw it back in and then I'm going to wire it. So I'm going to leave it at this point. My battery's low. So yeah, once this bumper's back in, then I'll take it from there. Let me show you actually. I plugged it into this module, but the only problem is it's got 4 different ones, obviously left to right, and I don't know which one's which. But obviously I've got 2 coming from here, 2 coming from there, so I can do A, B, C, D. But I'm gonna have to plug it in and then like test it out. And then I've plugged this in. I've wired it in through. There's like a little gap because these seats don't go down, and it's just there at the moment. You can probably just about see it. Yeah, now I need to tap into the reverse light, which is there. So I know it comes down into here. I'm gonna cut that open. Once I've cut it open, I will use my multimeter to find out which one is the reverse light power, and then this will tap into there. Boom boom. This is what I bought from Halfords. Bob's your uncle. Bish bash bosh. Should work, and then I can rearrange these and then put it where I want to put it once I know which one's the right one, which one's the left one. So I know there's 2, 2, 2, 2, la di da di da, and yep. So once I've done that, it should be working. See you in a bit. Power, I've tapped it into there. The first wire, believe it or not, was the reverse one. Look, the reverse light is on at the moment, and if I, you can hear that, if I tap it, it turns on. So I just need to find somewhere to put that, somewhere to ground it, and yeah. Look, if I go closer, I mean I'm already quite close, and look, I don't know what the number means. And if I go here, right next to it. So yeah, it does the job. It might be a bit cheap and like not as sensitive as I wanted them to be, but it's alright. Should be able to reverse without hitting your Porsche.
We're not putting him on the Porsche.
So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna put this back like here somewhere, I don't know, probably put in the partial shelf, and yeah, working with the reverse lights, and that's that. So it does the job, it's working. Billy Khan's back, and yeah, hope you liked it. There's something in it, it's better than nothing. I thought I might as well, because I would have done this regardless of the camera being here or not, because I wanted it done. But I thought I'd bring you guys along, so hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, bell icon, all of that, share it if you want. If you need more help, message down below and Bilal will reply to you hopefully. Peace.